This video will guide you through the fast bleeding procedure for a MAGURA MTA disc brake. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. Please note that this method can only be used with new brake discs or brakes in new condition with new pads and rotors. In the case of used brakes, we recommend inserting a MAGURA transportation device with the thick side first in order to hold the pistons in their starting position. Invert the master to a horizontal position as shown. Loosen the screw so that the master can turn. Now remove the EBT screw with a T25 tool. For fast bleeding, use a syringe with a hole at the 30 milliliter mark and fill it with 20 milliliters of oil. Add an air pocket of 5 milliliters. Insert the syringe into the EBT opening of the master. Thanks to the conical shape of the EBT opening, the syringe seals itself when you push it on. Pull the plunger in the syringe to about the 30 milliliter mark on the scale. Make sure that the plunger does not go beyond the hole. Press the oil back into the brake master. Repeat this procedure 3 or 4 times until air bubbles stop rising from the master. While doing this, pull the lever blade 3 or 4 times and let it snap back to remove air pockets from the brake master. As a last step, pull the plunger over the hole. Wait for a moment until the oil level drops. Push the plunger under the hole again and then pull it for the last time over the hole. Again, wait for a moment until the oil level drops. Block the hole with your finger and pull off the syringe. This prevents oil from escaping. Make sure that the oil comes up to the edge of the EBT opening. Tighten the EBT screw with a Torx T25 tool, making sure you do not exceed a torque of 0.5 Newton-meter. Then, thoroughly clean the master. Turn the brake master back to the desired position and check that the brake works properly. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your MAGURA dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, we're also available in the chats of our social media channels.